Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll demonstrate how you can leverage AI to craft personalized music for your business, brand, or podcast. This is another impactful AI tool to enhance your technical toolkit. Don't miss out on more incredible insights and techniques from the She Speaks AI channel. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay up to date with the newest AI tools, passive income strategies, and products. Let's thrive together.
Get into this. Today we're talking about an app that I've had for a while, but I just forgot to do a video on it. So here we go. This is creating music. So if you want to create music, but you don't have a studio, you don't have a voice, you just want to create some music, there's an AI tool for that. And this one is called appsuno.ai. That's appsuno.ai. And what it does is it creates music for you from AI. We're talking lyrics, we're talking sounds, and all of that. And so on here, you'll see the dashboard. So once you come to appsuno.ai, sorry, appsuno.ai, and I'll go ahead and put the link in the description. But this will be your dashboard. And over on the left-hand side here, you've got where you can explore, you can create, and then there is a library. This is a free tool up to, 50 credits a day. So it gives you 50 credits every single day to create music. I mean, and if you want more than that, you can subscribe, you can pay for more music there, but hey. Now, what you can use this for is like theme music for your videos, theme music for whatever it is that you want to do. Let me show you some music that I have created in the middle here. Well, let's go with this. On this side, this is the part of the dash where you will enter in song descriptions and things, and then where you can create the music. On the middle side is all of the music that you have already created. And then over here on the right-hand side is like where you're selected. So right now I have this Rise Up Sisters selected. This is what it's showing as the cover for it. And these are the lyrics. These are the lyrics. So let's listen to what it came up with. Okay, because I'm not a singer and I'm not a songwriter, but the AI did it for me. So let's listen up.
You have a fire burning deep within your soul. It's time to rise up. Let your spirit take control. Oh, yeah. Rise up, sisters, claim your place in this world. Spread your wings, let your true beauty unfurl. You are strong, you're a force to be reckoned with. Together we'll rise and let our voices live.
All right, so that you can see in the middle of it and started to press play again. So, but that's the gist of it there. Here are three, here's two verses, I believe, a verse and a chorus. And so let's go. Let's just show you how I did this. So basically, you just give us a song description. I'm going to hover over the question mark. It says, describe the style of music and the topic that you are wanting to make music from. So, like in this example, acoustic pop about the holidays. Use genres and vibes instead of specific artists and songs. Okay. So, let's say that I want music or create. I'm just going to say, I probably should have thought this out so I didn't sit here and think about it. A song about women in technology in a contemporary I don't even know contemporary You can create, it looks like you can create a song without lyrics, which I love, but I haven't even played with that. So a song about women in a let's say this, a contemporary song about women in technology. Okay. So let's go ahead and click create and see what it comes up with. And as you see, it's all right. So we have it here. And when we just click on it, we've got our lyrics here. We've got 2 verses now because I know they've done some upgrades. So we got verse 1, verse 2, and a chorus. And on this one, we've got, oh, did it come up with the same thing? Locking eyes with the machine. Locking eyes with the machine. Yeah, they're both the same. So I don't know what was up with that, but it took 10 credits as you see. Okay. So let's just play one of them.
Locking eyes with the machine, searching for the code in between. We're the architects of innovation, pioneers in this digital nation, breaking barriers, taking control. We're the queens of this binary world, building bridges, connecting minds, redefining what it means to be defined. We're the women of technology, breaking through preconceived notions, can't you see? Coding dreams, shaping our destiny. We're the revolutionary, setting ourselves free.
Now, what I remembered before was that it could just cut it off, but now it's got some tones after it, so that's pretty cool. I want to see what this is. Is this the same?
Locking eyes with our machine,
Okay.
searching for the code in between.
So
We're
it's
the
giving me the
architects of
same lyrics,
innovation, pioneers.
but it has it in 2 different styles, 2 different instruments or music to it, right? You can see I'm not a music. I don't know what the words are, but this is pretty cool. So you've got 2 versions of the same song, and we just created a song in lyrics, music, all of that in less than a minute or about a minute, right? So this is pretty cool here. What could you use this for? I want you to type in the chat what you could use this for. Now, my thought is if you have videos, if you do podcasts, you can create theme music. You could use this in a number of different ways. So anyway, wanted to just bring that to you real quick. Let's go ahead and take a look at create instrumental music. So this time, because I've not done this one, so we're in version 3, there's version 2 and version 3. I'm going to create instrumental music, create a song without lyrics. So let's create a upbeat gospel song. So I am going to click create. I don't know, I disconnected my mic because my computer seems to have been acting, and I'm going in and out of sound. So we'll see what happens on this video because I can't hear the music while my Yeti is connected. I got to figure out why it does that. But when my Yeti is Blue Yeti is connected, I can't hear the computer sounds. So, but yeah, so we got a Hallelujah Sunrise, a soulful gospel, and it should just be instrumental. Oh my gosh, this is going to be powerful. Let's play. It's done. So let's play what it comes up with. There's no lyrics here. Let's see what this one says. Oh, we're taking it back. It's gone a little bit slower. Oh my gosh. Do you see how powerful this can be? When you really sit down, if you couple this up with ChatGPT, just imagine you go into ChatGPT or you go into Copilot or whichever a text generator that you're using, and you come up with lyrics to your songs. You can put in here song descriptions. You can make it into custom mode. Let's go to custom mode because we haven't done that. And this is where you're going to start with lyrics. You're going to write down your thoughts or hit or make random lyrics for spontaneous creativity, right? Choose your style and extend your song. So if you want it to be longer songs, you can do that. And so you can write basically your own lyrics. Oh, we've got to accept our terms and conditions. Now, I've been in here before, but it's been a while. But you can make your own lyrics. So you put your own lyrics in there. How is that if you could use ChatGPT to help you to create your own lyrics, and then you can enter in your style of music, okay? Enter in your title and have it to create the music for you. Anyway, I don't want to extend this out. I'm going to go and play with the music. And just in the comments, hey, copy those links that you create your own music and put them in the comments so we can see what you have created. All right. Until we meet again, be blessed, be fruitful, and multiply.